Hello everyone. It's been a while. I just want to have this video to give thanks kasi naka-receive ako ng box, ng box. Anyway, I did not order this. I have no idea about it. Pero when I look at it, it's Joe Malone na perfume. So, it's Decant's list of perfume. I don't have any idea. Pero let me just give thanks about it. This came from Miss Regine Kabatingan, 8-hour cruise straight Merville, Dampalit, Malabon City. So this is in front of Cascento Builders in Malabon City. So if you have or if you want to order, I'm not sure if she's the one who sells